Wanted to just take a quick second and talk a little bit about the programming here at Ergo. Just kind of wanted to dive in a little bit deeper on where it comes from, why it is the way it is, and the benefits to you guys. So, as many of you already know, we follow CrossFit linchpin programming. And there's many reasons why we do this here. One of those is it's very well written. It saves us a lot of time. And to be honest with you, Pat Sherwood is going to write a lot better program than I will. So you're going to get better workouts that way. The basic fundamentals of CrossFit is, the definition of CrossFit is constantly varied functional movements performed at high intensity. What that does for us is it gives us what we call GPP, general physical preparedness, right? So outside the gym, we're able to run and play with our kids. We're better at work. We can go on a weekend getaway without getting tired. It basically helps us for everything outside the walls of this gym. So we're ready and we're able to handle it. And as you notice, some days are light, some days are heavy, some days are fast, some days are long. We have all time domains. We have body weight movements. We have heavy weightlifting movements. We have dumbbells. We have barbells. We have boxes and kettlebells. But one of the things is that we add in once a week is kind of a heavy day. What that does is allows us to slow our heart rate down, give us a different kind of intensity that helps us build strength. People tend to kind of really enjoy the heavy days. But one thing that often comes up every couple of weeks when it happens is when we have just a running day. So it's really important that we have days like this because our bodies are designed to move through space. So one of those ways is walking and running. And we hear this all the time. Well, I don't want to come in and just run because I can run on my own. But what definitely happens, even if you would put in a pair of headphones and hit the streets, you're probably not going to run with the same intensity. You may not have the proper coaching on running form or how to hold a certain pace, which is designed to provide the intended stimulus that goes along with the other programming. Participating inside that class is going to give you a different stimulus, give you different results, and you're going to just do it better than if you had put on a pair of headphones and gone out and run. So if you're cherry picking the running days, if you're cherry picking the heavy days, you're not going to get the same results as if you are consistently coming 4 or 5 days a week here. I think that if you are complaining about the programming or you don't like the programming, maybe you're not trusting the methodology, trusting what's going to deliver the results, and that may be holding you back from getting the results that you want. And when that happens, it doesn't matter whose programming you're doing, it's just not going to work. So you could do Mayhem, you could do CompTrain, you could do any Invictus or whatever, but if you're having doubts and you're cherry picking and going back and forth complaining about it, you're not putting in that effort, which is what we're all here to do to get the results. That's why we're here. That's a little bit about our programming. If you have questions, obviously you can reach out to me and we'll get those questions answered. But hope to see you on the next running day, hope to see you on the next lifting day, and definitely on the next Metcon. So we'll talk to you soon. Take care.
And we be going on and on and on to the morning, come and go. Don't wanna argue.